what if like we want to find something and we want to replace another word, like in this, let's say take this name column as an example. Like we want to find a name where name is Ahsanul, and we want to replace this name Ahsanul with Milan, right? Okay, so let's do it. So let's see how to do it. Here we'll select this column B, and so here in this editing group we'll select find and select. So here I will select find. We want to find the text like Ahsanul, and then I'll say find all. So here it is showing us the result, like it is in sheet 1 and cell B49, and the value is Ahsanul. So this is the value, right? So now we want to change this value or replace it with Milan. So we'll simply here again go to this editing group and here select replace, and then we want to now find Ahsanul and to replace with Milan. Now we'll select replace all. Okay, so now this 49, so B49, this was previously Milan, and now it is previously this was Ahsanul and now it is Milan. So this is how find and replace this function is works, right? Okay. So keep it as previous name like Ahsanul. Okay.